Are you feeling stuck in your career, struggling financially? It's time for a change. You are working hard but feel like you are going nowhere. Bills are piling up, dreams are fading, and growth feels impossible. Sounds familiar? Here is the secret. Start small, pick one action aligned with your dream, like learning a skill that excites you. Master it while staying in your current job or business. Connect with like-minded people. Take one step at a time. Small, consistent steps lead to big transformations. Start today and watch your life change tomorrow. I invite you to attend my free webinar, Unlock Your Purpose, Unleash Your Destiny. This Sunday at 7:30 p.m. Link in the comments. Click and register now. See you inside. What is the one step you will take today? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.